Hello everybody, it's Matthew, your friendly neighborhood technician. I am finally getting all caught up with all of my work. Woo! Stuff that I got stuck with over the winter hit, and it's no fun working in 0-degree weather. So if you notice, I have finished my Hustler Kohler model number CV745 V-twin 24 horsepower electronically fuel injected engine. If you go back throughout my YouTube, you'll see some videos where I completely rebuilt this engine. Well, I should take that back. I didn't completely rebuild it. The only thing I did not replace was the piston ring, and piston rod, crankshaft, and camshaft. It's got all new lifters, valve adjustment, timing's been all reset on it, you know, whole 9 yards, all that other good stuff. New gaskets, crankcase gasket, head gaskets, all that other good stuff. So put it all back together and let's see what we got here. So I got a few minor bugs to work out. The oil dipstick needs to be changed and stuff like that, but it is finished, and here in the next day or so I will do the minor details like replace the oil dipstick and stuff like that and send it on out. So there you go, folks. Everything from Ford to Chevy to Nissan to BMW to small equipment, I can rebuild, do it all. So I'm pretty excited about this one. Well, everybody, thanks for watching the Hustler Kohler rebuild. This is Matthew, your friendly neighborhood technician, signing off.